here. Tonight I'm going to be making some yam cake salad. It's a very, very simple and easy, delicious recipe. So let's begin. Okay, so obviously you will be needing some yam cakes. Yam cakes, okay? These are found at your local Asian grocery store. You should be able to find these in the refrigerated section, okay? So make sure this is yam cake. There's two different types. There's a plain one that's just white like this, okay? But we're gonna be using this one because this one has more flavor. This one has seaweed powder, seasoned with seaweed powder. So this will give it more of this seafoody flavor to it, okay? So make sure that it's this one with the little black speckles. So that's seaweed, all right? So different brand, any kind of brand, but as long as it says yam cake, it will work, all right? So this is what it looks like out of the package. So it's just a block of gelatin, kind of like a jelly cake, okay? We're gonna slice it. Here. Okay. About half an inch thick, guys, or however thin or thick you like. Just like this. Okay, see how bouncy and all right, just like that. Okay. Okay, so after you slice it up, you want to go ahead and plate it like this or like so. Okay, and let's set this aside. Now we're gonna make the dressing or the sauce for it. It's very simple ingredients. You need some fresh chopped garlic and some fresh chili peppers, okay, and some chili powder for sauce, all right, and some lime or lemon juice. Okay, we're gonna freshly squeeze lime or lemon juice. Go ahead and squeeze it in here. Okay, I'm gonna use a whole lime. Okay, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of this sauce. Let's see, teaspoon of the chili powder. And teaspoon of the MSG, okay? Give it a good mix. Taste here. Perfect. Okay. Then we're gonna add to it some fresh chopped cilantro, some green onions, okay, and here I have some mint and Vietnamese coriander. Vietnamese coriander looks like this. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's this, okay? You can find this at your Asian grocery stores. All right, so Vietnamese coriander, and of course some mint, all right? I'm gonna sprinkle some of the chopped up cilantro and green onions to the sauce. Mix it up. Let's add some more chopped. Give it some color. Okay, and now this is ready to be poured over into our cut up yam cakes. Okay, so just like this, guys. Just drizzle. This is a very healthy salad. Just like that, pour it over. And I like my mint and my Vietnamese coriander not chopped up. just, you know, break them apart from the stem and just sprinkle, sprinkle, like so. And here you have a very delicious, easy yam cake. Very healthy, guys. Let me see. I think it's only, how many calories in this? 5 calories. So very, very healthy. Only 5 calories, okay? So this is how you eat it. Take some. Oops. Just like this, guys. Yummy, yummy. Oh, my pepper's gonna be really spicy. I'm gonna try to avoid not biting into a whole piece just yet. Okay. Bon appetit! Mmm. Delicious. It has like have you ever eaten sea cucumber? It's kind of like that, the texture of the yam cake. And oh man, the sauce is delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. I can eat a whole plate of this by myself because it's only 5 calories, guys. Very savory. The sauce has that sweet, not sweet, I mean sour, salty. So it's just a perfect sauce for this, guys. Give it a try, guys. Yam cake salad. Delicious. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.